Okay guys, I want to explain something about the storage, okay, of Makyo. Every organization has a storage and it has a limitation of 1 gigabyte by default. You can see this one has 10 gigabytes just because we upgraded it manually. You can ask if you need more gigs, just ask us because we don't have a mechanism to control it yet. We don't have the billing done yet. Just let us know and we'll increase it like we did here. For this this is a real live app that has lots of images, lots of PDFs. Okay, so the thing that is important to notice here, in the storage you can upload any kind of files and it will keep track of the different types of files and so on and how much space they take. But what you need to know is that two folders are created automatically. As soon as you generate your first PDF, a PDF folder will be created. Let's take a look. You can see all of these PDFs have been created. This is because we have this business has invoices, okay? And you can even see it. Anyway, you can see that it's a real business with a real invoice, okay? So that's why there's so many PDFs. Every customer gets their own invoice. That's the first thing. So as soon as you generate a PDF, it will be added here to the storage. The same thing with image uploads. When you upload an image, the first thing that's going to happen is going to get compressed, and then it will be uploaded here to the storage. You can see here again, the staff is uploading a bunch of images every day, okay? But they are being compressed. That's why they don't take that much room. You can see that it's 144, 139, and they're uploading it directly from their phone. So it's usually, if they're updating from the phone, it's going to be 2 to 4 megabytes, and this is only around 150 kilobytes. Okay, so let's see how we do this. So the storage is inside the organization. It's not inside the app. So you share the same storage with all the apps. This way you can share data or storage or different files between apps. Okay, so you have to go back to the organization to access the storage. But actually you don't really need to be here for our purpose. I'm going to show you now what happens. How do I set up this kind of image uploading? Let me just find, it's called let me just go bigger. Reports. So every time the staff is submitting a report, and again, this is a real business, okay? Every time the staff is submitting a report, you can see that there's a lot of images, right? And it would get really out of control if we didn't basically resize those images. So this is how you do it. Every image upload primitive, it already has image compression here, and it's set by default to 150 kilobytes. Okay, you actually don't need to do anything. It will resize it exactly to this size or around this size. Okay, what you do need to know that if you want a high resolution of images, if it's really important for you to have high resolution images, for example, if it's a photographer app or whatever, then you can increase it. You can set the limit. Okay, this is how you do it. The PDFs, there's no compression to PDF. Whatever the PDF is generated, that's what you get. So what I recommend to do is from time to time go and clean up your files so it doesn't get out of hand. But as you can see, we are not really doing much about it. It's just here, all the images, and here are all the PDFs. And if we need to find something, we can find it. If we need to find an invoice, somebody's invoice, we can just find it here. You know, that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you about the storage. You can also add new files this way. You can just upload a bunch of files. You can see the files this way. So there's actually a lot going on here. You can create new folders and so on. One more important thing to know about the storage. Let's say that you have an app. Let's say you have an app and now you want to add an image. So now I added an image. That's a static, not dynamic image. It's just something that we have. You can actually select an image from your storage. These are the images that are in the storage. Okay, you can also see the PDFs, but we're not interested in PDF right now. So you can also choose any of the images uploaded, But normally what you would do, you would have images in your storage and you will just choose the image, okay? Or you can also go to the AI images that we offer, about 4,000 of them, AI generated images. You can pick any of them and use them. You can search, let's say person, oops, I don't know why it's not working. Let's try by category. Okay, advertising. Okay, so then you can pick another image. Images that you can use freely, there's no problem. Yeah, so this is about the storage. And also another place that you will see the storage is here in the data grid. So let's say that you need to choose an image. You can simply click here and choose an image from the AI images or from my files, or you can enter a URL. Okay.